Look at the headlines today, and it is easy to feel that human civilization has reached a terminal point. We see industrial decay, systemic conflict, and a pervasive sense that the structures of our world are beginning to fail. Hindu cosmology suggests this feeling of decline is part of a much larger, predictable cycle. Ancient texts describe our current experience as the characteristic symptom of an age defined by its own gradual breakdown. The driver of this process is the erosion of dharma, the cosmic order of righteousness. In this tradition, history is the record of dharma's steady decay across 4 distinct, expansive eras. This era of anxiety represents one documented phase within a cosmic calendar that operates on a scale humanity is only beginning to calculate. This cycle is the Chatur Yuga. It begins in an age of perfect order, which then depletes by 1/4 in each subsequent era, leaving morality and human potential at their lowest possible ebb by the final stage. We are currently in the Kali Yuga, the Iron Age. This stage is marked by spiritual forgetfulness and the dominance of material desire over inner realization. While the sense of decay feels immediate, the duration of the Kali Yuga is set at 432,000 years. We are witnessing the very beginning of a dark age that is scheduled to continue for millennia. If this single age outlasts all of recorded human history, what happens to the timeline when we move beyond the human perspective to the lifespan of the gods? The longest eras of our history are microscopic when measured against the points where the universe itself reaches its final limit. Scaling up requires multiplying a single 4-age cycle by 1,000. This creates a unit of time known as a kalpa. A single kalpa lasts 4.32 billion human years. This 4.32 billion year span constitutes a single day in the life of the Creator, Brahma. By the end of this cosmic day, the universe is exhausted. The spiritual and physical potential of the worlds has been spent, and the system prepares for a complete reset. Dissolution becomes a mathematical necessity once the universe reaches the end of its allotted time. This process is called the pralaya, the absolute dissolution of the 3 worlds. The Vishnu Purana details how reality is systematically dismantled. Stage 1 is the Great Desiccation. A 100-year drought drains the earth of its oceans, stripping the planet of all vitality. Then the sun's rays expand. They dilate into 7 distinct suns that surround the worlds. This heat becomes the fire of Kalik Marudra, which reduces the underworld to ashes and scorched earth, leaving the planet bare and deformed. Finally, mountain-sized clouds envelop the sky, blacking out all light and preparing to unleash a century of uninterrupted rain. The torrents quench the cosmic fires and flood the universe, turning the 3 worlds into a single vast ocean. The pralaya erases reality by weaponizing the primal elements, water, fire, and air, that birthed the universe. Following the violent destruction, the universe enters a state of absolute stillness. The earth, sky, and life have vanished into the Kshirsarga, the ocean of milk. This infinite, tranquil sea represents the potential of the unmanifest universe. Lord Vishnu, the preserver, remains within this void, resting in a state of deep yogic sleep. He rests upon the 1,000-headed serpent Anantashesha, whose name literally means endless. The serpent represents both eternity and the cyclical nature of time. This period is the night of Brahma, a time of cosmic rest, equal in duration to the 4.32 billion-year day that preceded it. The dissolution is a return to unmanifest potential. Vishnu rests in the quiet darkness before his consciousness begins the next cycle, dreaming a new universe into existence.